The first topic I'll be covering is language. I'll be looking sometimes to my left because I have some notes on my laptop. I don't want to forget anything. Language is definitely #1 topic which you should care about, because all documentations, exams, all necessary registrations and everything is of course important, but these are just details. Like, you really need to learn the language on the level that you can freely communicate in it. So my advice is, if you already know the language, please keep revising it, because all languages leave your head as soon as you stop using them. If you haven't learned it, or you've never even touched the language, please start with it as soon as you can. I believe that even during studies you can learn the language. I did it personally. I had 2 times per week 1-hour lesson with my tutor, and I started when I finished 2nd year. So after finishing 4th year, I passed B2 level in Goethe Institute. So pretty much in 2 years, doing 2 hours of lessons online helped me getting to a B2 level, which is a prerequisite for you to actually start any form of process of getting a license in Germany. So if of course you want to just do medicine and then learn the language after, it's up to you. Of course it's doable, many people do it. Majority manage to do that within a year. So if that's your plan, obviously that's also good. But the earlier you start, of course, the earlier you will be able to find a job and to start your life in Germany.